Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we find out how the wealthy think, live, and build their fortunes. If you viewed our previous video on night routine of millionaires, ASMR luxury sleep routines, you already understand that rich individuals don't sleep well, they make money while sleeping. Today we'll dissect the top 5 passive income streams millionaires utilize in 2025 so you can begin building yours as well. So let's get started. 1. Dividend growth stocks and ETFs. Millionaires invest in strong dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. As the stock appreciates in value, they also receive cash dividends quarterly. This provides a regular flow of income without having to sell shares. 2. Rental properties and REITs. Real estate is a traditional favorite, but most millionaires now make investments via REITs, real estate investment trusts, so they don't handle properties directly but get rent-like income anyhow. 3. Digital products and online courses. Once produced, a quality digital product or course will sell thousands of times with little additional effort. Millionaires employ teams or automation to scale these. 4. Affiliate and automated online businesses. Websites, newsletters, or social media channels that suggest products and earn a commission. Millionaires create or purchase these and let automation do most of the heavy lifting. 5. High-yield savings and bonds. Plus AI-managed portfolios. Even rich people tuck some money into safer vehicles. In 2025, AI-managed portfolios and high-yield bonds are popular because they offer safety with modest returns. So there you have it, the top 5 passive income streams millionaires are leveraging in 2025. If you're interested in seeing how these habits work in conjunction with a luxury but disciplined life, check out our last video on night routine of millionaires. It's right here on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tip for building wealth.